Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to track your loan balances directly in the Bright app. You can stay on top of your payments and manage your finances more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. From the main dashboard, tap on the Loans tab. This is where all of your active loans are displayed. You're going to see a list of your loans, each showing a summary of key information like the loan provider, the remaining balance, and the next due date. Tap on any individual loans to see more details. Inside, you're going to find a breakdown of your repayments history, your interest charges, as well as your remaining terms. Bright also shows your next upcoming payments, and if it's linked to your bank account, you can confirm if the auto payment is scheduled. Scroll down to see a progress bar or a chart that visualizes exactly how much you've already paid and how much is left. Some loans even allow you to make an extra payment right from this screen. You can also set reminders or alerts for due dates by tapping the bell icon in the top right corner of the loan screen. And that's how easy it is to keep an eye on your loan balances using Bright. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.